EVs are not immune to tire punctures. Just like any tire repair, you're going to want to begin by removing the tire from the wheel and doing a thorough inspection of the puncture or leak. Look for any signs that it was run underinflated for an extended period of time. Here we have a tire off of an EV. With the rim removed, we can see that it has a foam core. Many EVs and hybrids use these types of tires to reduce tire noise. Mounting and balancing these tires is the same as any other tire, but there's one difference in how a puncture is repaired. For EV tires with this sound suppression foam, you'll need to cut and remove a section of the foam to inspect the puncture from inside the tire. Once you've determined that the puncture is in an area that's safe to repair, you'll need to take a closer look at the adhesive that was used to glue the foam in place. With the foam cut out, we can see remnants of the adhesive used to hold the foam to the inside of the tire. Cured adhesives will need to be completely removed prior to installing a patch or plug. To remove the adhesive, clean the area with rubber cleaner and a scraper. Follow that up with your low-speed buffer to create a smooth, even texture for maximum adhesion of the patch. Move on to the next steps of the proper tire repair process, including drilling out the injury with a carbide cutter and installing the repair using chemical vulcanization cement. Always use the adhesive recommended by the manufacturer of the patch. With the repair securely in place, seal the area with inner liner sealer and the tire is ready to return to service. Reinstalling the foam is optional. If desired, you can use the inner liner sealer to prepare the area for reapplying the foam if the adhesive has lost its tack. Next, mount and balance the tire and rim. It's recommended that the service kit for the TPMS sensor is serviced whenever the tire is removed from the rim. And with the rim back on the vehicle, we can make sure the TPMS light is out for the customer. I'm Doug Kaufman, coming to you from the BenPak EV Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.